Hi, I'm Nicole with Fort Worth Roofing Contractors. Are you looking to have repairs done to your roof, or are you looking for a new roof, but you have no clue who to trust or where to even begin? Fort Worth Roofing Contractors offer these benefits, among many others. We understand your time is valuable, and you don't have all day to sit at home hoping a contractor might decide to show up and speak to you about your roofing problems. Our solution: we promise to provide you with a 2-hour window in which we'll be at your home or business to evaluate your roofing concerns. We've been in the roofing industry over 15 years and know how insurance adjusters process claims. We have a history of working with insurance companies and assisting you with the claims process. No shortcuts or cutting corners. We ensure you're treated fairly and receive the benefits and quality roofing you deserve. Call Fort Worth Roofing now at 817-969-4303 for your own protection, because the important thing is that you have peace of mind about one of the most significant investments of your home or business.